close. Not having it. They are not having it. What's good, YouTube? So I ordered the wrong mic, so hopefully the audio is solid. Straight out of the camera, so I am trying out the new DJI Action 5. Mic is on the way, but I could not pass up this beautiful morning to ride. So this will be an official off-road test for this as well, so we'll see how this goes. We're just going to kind of rip around these nice little trails. Fishy. Hopefully you guys can hear me alright. Sucks that the mic that I ordered was the wrong DJI pocket mic. Overall, man, it's pretty comfy off-road. I haven't been able to take this thing fully off-road yet, so it's be a good test. Oh, that feels nice right here. Nice cool breeze. Yeah, I gotta get bigger foot pegs. These foot pegs are tiny. Make sure I have plenty of torque to get me out of whatever out here. Suspension's just taking forever. Some of these. Fucking chickens? What the fuck is vultures? We gotta start coming out here more in the mornings now that it's getting cooler out. Definitely gonna be a vibe. I haven't been out here in like a year. It's just been so hot during the summer. I gotta definitely push these bars forward. Coming down into the wash. Oh god, dude, this suspension's taking it. That was cool. Definitely gotta check my battery. Rattling around a lot. Yeah, my battery's not even latched in right, boys. Go like that. Whole side. Let's go! Much better. I don't hear it bouncing around anymore. That was fun. Suspension is fucking nice out here. Coyote. Speed wobbles. Made it, boys.